Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a lot of spots in my house that could use a little extra light, but I don't want to have to install lights and I don't want to have a light with a cord. That's why this rechargeable, dimmable LED light bar has come in so handy. Let me show you a few of the ways that I use it. Now this light bar is, as I said, dimmable, so you can adjust the light to whatever you need. It's magnetic, so you can stick it to a lot of different things, like if you're out in your garage or your refrigerator or any other place that is metal that you can attach a magnet to, you're going to get extra light. It's rechargeable, so I don't need to have any cords hanging anywhere. But if you don't want to use the magnet and you want to place it inside a cupboard like I did, it comes with a sticky adhesive holder that's also magnetic, and so you can place that wherever you need a little extra light, and it's very easy for this light to attach to it. The fact that it is rechargeable, it's an LED light, and it's dimmable has made this an excellent find for me to use all over my house wherever I need a little extra light. And that is my point of view.